divided by square root of sigma dx square minus sigma dx whole square divided by n. There is no square for n. Sigma dx square minus sigma dx whole square divided by n into sigma dy square. You put 48 is a law. So what's the difference between 70 minus 48 plus 2 is 50, that is 22. Hello my dear student, I am Dr. B.S. Subramania, called by name Dr. BSS, Professor in Commerce and Management, Vidhyaashram First Aid College, a Temple of Excellence, MYSURU. In this session, I am going to hand Business Statistics, third semester, Unit 4, Session 1, BCom, in favor of coefficient of correlation. So they have given a problem, calculate the correlation and probable error. X has given 70, 48. So there is a relation between X and Y. So correlation is a relation between the two variables X and Y. Now we are going to calculate the formula for this. R is equal to sigma dx dy minus, in the bracket, sigma dx into sigma dy divided by n divided by root of sigma dx square minus sigma dx whole square divided by n into sigma dy square minus sigma dy whole square divided by n. What's the formula? R means correlation is equal to sigma dx dy minus sigma dx into sigma dy divided by divided by square root of sigma dx square minus sigma dx whole square divided by n. There is no square for n. Sigma dy square minus sigma dy whole square divided by n. So, we start with the problem now. X 70, 48, 58, 48, 58, 55, 54, 55, 54, 55, 50, 60, last one 52. Then dx square, then y 62, 47, 53, 47, 53, 60, 55, 60, 55, 68, 51, 68, 51, last number 48. This is a problem now. Which is the lowest number we look after here? Which is the lowest number? 48. Put 48 is equal to 0. The lowest number is 48. You put 48 is a low. So what's the difference between 70 minus 48 plus 2 is 50? That is 22. 48 plus 2 is 50 plus 20. This is 22. Difference. How much more 58? 10 is more. 55 means 7 is more. 54 means 6 is more. 50 means 2 more. 60 is 12 more. Then 54 more. Here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. N is equal to 8. Square up this number. 22 into 22, 22 into 22, 484. We can have like this. Come back. 0, 10 into 10 is 100, 49, this is 36, this is 4, 12 into 12 is 144, this is 16. So add the figure. What is dx? 22 plus 10 plus 7 plus 6 plus 2 plus 12 plus 4. 63 sigma dx. Add the figure. 484 plus 100 plus 49 plus 36 plus 4 plus 144 plus 16. 833. This is sigma dx square. Come back here. dy, lowest number here is 47 is 0. Then 52 means 47 plus 3 is 50 plus 12. 62 minus 47 is 15. This is 53 means 6. 60. 47 plus 3 is 30. That is 60 minus 47. 60 minus 47 is 13. 55. 8. 68. 21. Then 51 is 4. 48 is 1. Add the figure. 15 plus 6 plus 13 plus 8 plus 21 plus 4 plus 1. 68. Sigma dy. 68. Then dy square. 15 into 15, 225. 15 into 15 is 225. This is 0. 6 into 6 is 36. 13 into 13 is 169. This is 64. 21 into 21 is equal to 441. This is 16. This is 1. Add the figure. 225 plus 36 plus 169 plus 64 plus 441 plus 16 plus 1. 952. Sigma dy square. 952. 952. Last step. Dx dy. Deviation of x. Deviation of y. Dx is 22 into 15. 22 into 15. 330. 0 into 0 is 0. Then 10 into dx into dy, 10 into 6 is 60. 7 into 13, this is 7 into 13, 91. Then 6 into 8, 48. 2 into 21, 42. 12 fours are 48. 4 ones are 4. Then apply. This is 330 plus 60 plus 91 plus 48 plus 42 plus 48 plus 4. 623. 623. So you have got sigma dx, sigma dy, dx square, dy square, dx dy. We'll apply. R is equal to sigma dx dy minus sigma dx sigma dy divided by n divided by root of sigma dx square minus sigma dx whole square divided by n into sigma dy square minus sigma dy whole square divided by n. Apply. What is sigma dx dy? 623 minus. What is sigma dx? 63 into. What is sigma dy? 68. How many items are there? 8 divided by root of. What is sigma dx square? Is 833 minus. What is sigma dx? 63 whole square divided by 8. So sigma dx dy is 623. Sigma 63 into 68 divided by 8 divided by root of. Sigma dx square is 833. Sigma dx whole square is 63 whole square divided by. What is sigma dy square? 952 minus sigma dy is 68 whole square divided by 8. Simplify now. 623. 623. Now 63 into 68. 63 into 68 divided by 8. 535.5. 535.5 divided by root of 833 minus. So simplify this. Now 63 whole square, 63 into 63 is equal to 3969 divided by 8. I'll repeat. 63 into 63 is equal to 3969 divided by 8. 496.12. 496.12 into 952 minus 68 into 68 divided by 8. 578. Simplify this. This is 623. 623 minus 535.5. 87.5 divided by root of 833 minus 496.12. This is 336 0.88 into 952 minus 578, 952 minus 578, 374. This is 87.5 divided by root of 336.88 into 374, 12595,993.12. Root of this 87.5 divided by 354.95. If we divide this, R is equal to 87.5 divided by 354.95, 0.246. Say 25. 0.25. So sigma dx dy, sigma dx into dy divided by n, sigma dx square, sigma dx whole square divided by n into sigma dy square minus sigma dy whole square divided by n. It is 623 minus 63 into 68 divided by 8, root of 833 minus 63 whole square divided by 8 into 952 minus 68 whole square divided by 2. It is, if we simplify this, 623, 63, 68 is 535, 838. It simplify this, then you got 87.5, 336.88.34. The last answer is 0.25. Then probable error. Probable error 0.6745 into 1 minus r square divided by root n. Apply 0.6745 into 1 minus 0.25 whole square root of 8. Simplify 0.6745 into 1 minus 0.5 into 0.25, 0.25 into 0.25, 0.25 into 0.25, 0.0625, then root of 8, root 2.83. Simplify 0.6745 into 1 minus 0.0625 is equal to 0.9375 divided by 2.83. Combine 0.6745 into 0.9375 divided by 2.83, 0.33. So 0.33 into 0.6745. I'll repeat, 0.6745 into 0.33, 0.22 is the probable error. So probable error is equal to 0.6745, 1 minus r square divided by n, 0.6745, 1 minus 0.25 whole square divided by root 8, 0.6745, 1 minus 20.0625 divided by 2.83, 0.6745 into 1.9375 divided by 2.83. If we divide with 0.3, 0.6745 into 0.3, it will come 0.22. This is the way we have to do it. Hope you understand this problem. Slowly I have gone. So we'll move on to second problem. See that. From the following table, find the correlation between the size and the rate of defect quality and also calculate the probable error. So size is x. We want two variable. One is the x, another is the y. X is there, but there is no y. So we have to calculate the y. So we'll move on. For every 400, there's a defective item of 300. So we'll calculate the y now. First, one by one, we'll go. Calculation of y. We'll go with number of items, defective item. Number of items divided by defective item. Number of defective item. One by one. What is the first one? Number of defective item is 300. So for 400, here for 400, so defective divided by number of item. This is given. So defective you have to calculate. First one, 300 divided by 400 into 100. This is 1. 300 divided by 400 into 100. This is 75. Then, now this is 1. Number 2. This is you are going to calculate the y. Second one, how much is there? 324 divided by 540. 324 divided by 540 into 100. So it is 324 divided by 540 into 100. 60. Number 3. Number of defective. Then 340 divided by 680. 340 divided by 680 into 100. Number 4. 360 divided by 720 into 100. 5. 360 divided by 800. 360 divided by 800 into 100. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Then sixth one, last one, sixth one, 240 divided by 600. 240 divided by 600 into 100. Now we'll calculate. 340 divided by 680 into 100. 50. Next one. 360 divided by 720 into 100. 50. Then 360 divided by 800 into 100. 45. Last one. 240 divided by 600 into 100 is 40. Hope you understand. So they have given number of item, number of defective items. So defective divided by number of item. So I have calculated. So this becomes the y. X is already given, then this becomes the y now. So we'll go with the same procedure. First is x, then you go to y. What's your x value? Size 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Here x 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. So what's the step to do? The lowest is your dx. How many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. N is equal to 6. Then dx, which is the lowest one here, 15 is equal to 0. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Add the figure. 1 plus 2, 3, 6, 10, 15. Sigma dx. Dx square 0, 1, 4, 9, 16, 25. Square of the number, we'll do it. So 1 plus 4 plus 9 plus 16 plus 25. This is 55 sigma dx square. 55. Then come back. Y. What's the value of y? 75, 60, 50, 50, 45, 40. I have whatever I calculated, this can be put it here. Okay. Which is the lowest number? Dy. Which is the lowest number? 40 is equal to 0. So 35, 40, 75 means 35. 60 means 20. 50 means 10. 50 means 10. 45 means 5. Add the figure. This is 35 plus 20 plus 10 plus 10 plus 5 is equal to 80. Sigma dy is equal to 80. Then dy square 35 into 35, 35 into 35, 1225. 20 into 20 into 20 is equal to 400. This is 100. This is 100. This is 25. This is 0. Add the figure. 1225 plus 400 plus 100 plus 100 plus 25. 1850 sigma dy square 1850. Okay. Now, last step, dx dy here. Dx dy. Carefully you have to do. Now, come back here. What's your dx? 0 into 35 is 0. So this is over. 1 into 20 is 20. This is over. Then 2 into 10 is 20. Over. 2 into 10 is 20. 3 into 10 is 30. Then 4 into 5 is 20. Then 5 into 0 is 0. We'll go with one by one. 0 into 35 dx dy. 0 into 35 is 0. 1 is to 20 is 20. Then 2 into 10 is also 20. Then 3 into 10 is 30. Then 4 into 5 is 20. 0. Add the figure. This is 0. 2 plus 2, 4. 7, 9, 90. This is sigma dx dy. Now slowly apply the formula. R is equal to sigma dx dy minus sigma dx sigma dy divided by n divided by root of sigma dx dy minus sigma dx dy divided by n divided by sigma dx square minus sigma dx whole square divided by n into sigma dy square minus sigma dy whole square divided by n. Slowly we can apply now. What is sigma dx dy? 90 minus. What is sigma dx now? Sigma dx is 15 into. What is sigma dy? Is 80 divided by number of items is, here number of items is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 divided by root of sigma dx square 55 minus sigma dx is 15 whole square divided by 6 into what is sigma dy square? 1850. 1850. What is sigma dy? 80 whole square divided by 6. Simplify this. This is 90 minus 15 into 80. 15 into 80 divided by 6. 200. 15 into 80 divided by 6 is 200 divided by root of 55 minus 15 into 15 divided by 6, 37.5 into 1850 minus 80 into 80, 64 divided by 6, say 1067. Simplify this. 90 minus 200, this is 200 minus 90 is equal to minus 110 minus 110 divided by root of 55 minus 37.5, 17.5 into 1850, 1850 minus 1067, 783 is equal to minus 110 divided by root of 783 into 17.5, 1370.5 is equal to 110 divided by root of 1370.5. Remove the root, minus 110. Remove this root. 117.05 divide 110 divided by 117.05, 0.93 minus 0.93. Your correlation. Then probable error 0.6745 into 1 minus r square divided by root 10. What is 0.6745 into 1 minus r square divided by root 10? This is 0.6745 into 1 minus, in the bracket, minus 0.93 whole square root of 6. This is 0.6745 into 1 minus 0.93 into 0.3. Minus into minus become plus. 0.93 into 0.93 0.8649 divided by root of 6, 2.449. This is 0.6745 into 1 minus 0.8649, 0.1351 divided by 2.449. This is 0.6745 into 0.1351 divided by 2.449, 0.055 multiply 0.055 into 0.6745, 0.03. Probable error 0.037. Hope you understand. Here we have to share what's the step to do. They have given like this: defective number of items. Defective 300 divided by 400 is 75. 320 divided by 40 into 100 is 60. 340 divided by 680 into 100 is 50. This is 45. Come back here. X is given. Lowest number is 15. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Then square up this number 55. 75, which is the lowest number, 40. Take the deviation. 35 becomes 80. Square up this 1850. Come back to dx dy is 90. Apply the formula. R is equal to sigma dx dy minus sigma dx into dy divided by n into root of sigma dx square minus sigma dx whole square divided by n. Sigma dy square minus sigma dy whole square divided by n. 90 minus 15 into 80 divided by 6 divided by root of 55 minus 15 whole square divided by 6. Then 1850 minus 80 whole square divided by 6. Simplify this. 90 minus 200. Highest is 55 minus 37.5. 1850. This is 1067. Simplify this. Minus 110, 17.5, 783, 110. If you multiply 13702.5, 10. The root of this is 117.5. If we divide this, answer is minus 0.93. Apply the formula. Probable error is equal to 0.6745 into 1 minus r square divided by root 10. Apply. If you get 0.03 is the difference. Difference is just 0.03. Hope you understand this problem. I solved two problems. What's the formula? R is equal to sigma dx dy minus sigma dx into dy divided by n divided by root of sigma dx square minus sigma dx whole square divided by n into sigma dy square minus sigma dy whole square divided by n. You have to learn the formula properly, then apply the theory. Meet in the next session with the table correlation, practice the problem from the examination point of view. This is very, very important. Among the two, one will come. Here we got next session. We go with the table correlation. Till then, goodbye. Meet in the next session.